Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a tasty juicy watermelon. And this is how you have to draw a circle. And here's I have to draw another one. But this is not a full circle, this one is half. Now take your pencil and start drawing like me. Here's some seeds. Draw some zigzag lines. Well, let's start coloring. I'm using brown. Now I'm using my favorite green. I need light green. Amazing! And now I have to use red. Uh-oh. Don't worry, I will fix it. Let's color the seeds. with my favorite black pen. And now we can fill the rest with red. I'm giving a little touch up with the light green again. And let's clean all the areas that we don't need. I'm using my green again. And now this one is looking really pretty. This is how you can draw a watermelon within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.